Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, habit. Sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, back in that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun. I fuck the bitch on the jet, people may get on her neck, she only call me for 6, speeding the bitch, I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X, on the strong, gotta keep you a gun, not a break up at that strong, fucking whole by the week every month, she want me sticking it deep in her gut, let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water.
Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So hey girl, what's poppin'? Today is Saturday. I'm about to do a little bit of skincare because I'm about to go to the grocery store. I'm gonna just do a little bit of skincare, and I want to show y'all because I have like two new products. Yeah, two new products I've never tried before. So the first one is going to be this moisturizer, which is from Peter Thomas. It looks like this. I got me a little small size. This is a 0.67 full ounce, and y'all, it's really small. I was not expecting it to be this small, but it is kind of small, so I don't know how this is going to really last me, but we're going to see if I like it, because I feel like my moisturizer that I use now has my skin feeling a little greasy, so I'm just like, maybe I use too much, or maybe it's the product, I don't know, but we're going to try something new. And then I also have just a free sample of this Paula's Choice. This is the exfoliator, so we're going to see what this is giving. I'm going to start off by using this first. So we're going to the store, we're going to go to Trader Joe's, and I think I want to get my car washed because my car is really dirty, y'all. I have not washed it in so long. Now me spilling almost all the product. I think this is enough. My handy dandy ordinary serum. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows with this NYX glue. Yeah, I really do like this for a girl who is like trying to feel like they're doing something. I feel like this is like really cute. I like using this. My brows into place, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. This is from NARS. This is in the color Dolce Vita. And then I'm going to put on the Ebony Woods perfume from Zara. It smells too good. So I'm going to just spray her up. So that is it. Period. So yeah, I'm going to see y'all once I head out.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks and Starbucks today.
Can I have a tall iced matcha with oat milk?
Is that a tall iced matcha latte made with oat milk?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Can I get a pump of brown sugar?
You want 1 pump of brown sugar?
Yeah, and then that's it.
And that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, perfect. That'll be $6.
Okay, thank you. What?
So she has the voice of a therapist.
I'm done. Not the voice of a therapist. What does a voice of a therapist even sound like? They're just like calm.
Like, what does she sound like getting mad?
Yeah. You're weird, because who thinks of stuff like that?
But it's not with the sugar.
Yeah, it really is sugar. Hi.
Hi there. You want straw?
Yeah. Thank you.
We'll just be a minute.
Okay. Thank you. You too. Let's taste. Let's taste. I think it's the oat milk. Baby, this is not giving. This tastes like straight milk.
Milk?
Like milk. I taste no matcha, like, and I don't even taste the brown sugar. Like, I feel like they played me just now.
That was your first time getting oat milk?
No, I've gotten oat milk before. I always get oat milk.
It's just got brown sugar in there. It's too many creamers.
Hey girl, what's poppin'? It's the next day. Y'all, I did not even record me going out yesterday. All I did was go to Trader Joe's, Walmart, and BJ's. And Trader Joe's was so crowded, y'all. Like, I was like getting like anxiety. I did not want to pull my camera out because it was just too many people. So yeah, I did not even record me going into Trader Joe's. But y'all know the vibes. I record in there all the time. I feel like it's the same routine. I got me a couple of groceries, and then I had tried the birria tacos. Girl, too good. That was my first time ever trying them out of Trader Joe's, and honestly my second time ever having them in life. And girl, they were so good. So yeah, I should have showed y'all that, but yesterday was a lot, y'all, and it was just going by too fast. Like, I just couldn't keep up. So yeah, y'all saw me do my like regular morning routine, the basics: brushing my teeth, hygiene. I didn't do any skincare yet, but I was using my ice roller. Matter of fact, y'all, I try to use this until it like isn't cold anymore, because sometimes I'll be waking up with a headache. I don't know why, but this really does help. But yeah, so I have on my little eye mask that I got from what is it called? Faded. I have on my eye mask. I think these are so cute, y'all. I really do like these. But anyway, so this morning, today is Sunday, and I want this video to go up today. Alright, y'all, so I wanted to come on here and show y'all what I got these past couple of days, because your girl has been ordering stuff because I'm going on vacation next month. The things that I got recently was these pair of shoes, these New Balances. Y'all, I have been obsessed with New Balances. Like, they're just my thing. So I got these, and these are so cute, y'all. How cute are these? They're like gold, black, I think it's like a little bit of gray and then white. These are so cute. I think these are called the 1906R. Girl, you cannot tell me. These are so cute. So yeah, I wore these for the first time yesterday. They're not as comfortable as my other New Balances, but they're still a little comfy, just not as comfortable. But these are so cute, y'all. I'm gonna be wearing these every day. Okay, every day. I need to get me another pair. And then y'all, I got me some stuff from Zara that I didn't even show y'all. I got me this cute denim dress. I had seen Kayla Cake wear this, and I was like, girl, I need a link. It's really long. I'm gonna have to get it altered, of course, because I'm a short girl. But y'all, this is so cute. It's a little tight, but I'm like, I feel like I could lose the pounds before it's time for me to wear this. So hopefully it'll be just right by the time I go on vacation. But y'all, how cute is this? I don't think y'all can really see the, I don't know if y'all can really see it because it's kind of dark in here. But it's like a dark denim. It's so cute, y'all. It has like a zip up in the back. And this quality feels so good. This is like my first time really ordering from Zara, like clothes. Girl, so cute. I got this in a size large. I should have got an extra large because it is a little stretchy. But I feel like I could have went up a size low-key because it still is denim, y'all. So it's not like that stretchy. It is stretchy, but it's not that stretchy. Y'all, I'm gonna do a Amazon haul, so make sure to subscribe because that video is gonna be coming soon because your girl got a lot of stuff from Amazon. So I'm gonna do an Amazon haul. But I also got me this pink skirt from Zara. I got this in an extra large and it fits just right, y'all. It's a little short, but I think it's really cute and I can't wait to wear this either. It's like that silky material. It has like pockets in the front. I like that too. It has the pockets so you can put your lip gloss right there or anything you want to put in the pockets. I think that's really cute. So yeah, this is so cute. Zara stuff runs, honestly, for me, in my opinion, very small. Like, I feel like I would have normally probably got like a large, but baby, Zara runs a little small. You know how H&M runs big, Zara runs small, y'all. And then I got me this cute skirt, y'all. I got this cute skirt from Amazon. If y'all see this again in the Amazon haul, act like you didn't see it. But I just wanted to show y'all this because this is so cute. I got me a tennis skirt. Like, how cute is this tennis skirt? Y'all, it's so cute. And it has like a little zipper in the back. And I think it has, I thought I saw where it has pockets, but maybe not. But it's like a pink salmon color. It's just so cute, y'all. I'm gonna wear this in Miami on one of our chill days, like when we're just out and about. I'm wearing this, okay? I just need to iron it because it is a little wrinkly. But this is so cute, y'all. And it's like a skirt. So it has like the shorts up under it. So I can honestly wear this working out, but I'm gonna wear this in Miami because it's just giving me like, it's just giving me the vibes, okay? This is so cute. I kind of want to get more colors. They have like white. I feel like white was really cute, but I'm just kind of scared it might get like dirty, but I don't know. But how cute is this? I'm probably gonna start editing this video, honestly. Watch my TD Jakes sermon, and we're just gonna see where it leads us today. I really don't know because, like I said, it's raining outside, and I'm probably not gonna be doing much. So yeah, I will see y'all a little bit later.
You got